On 14th August, I sold my share in this stock. I made a profit in this stock, but I made a mistake in this stock. Let me explain that. Let us go to the monthly time frame once to see what is the trend of the stock. It is consolidate and give a breakout. Consolidate, give a breakout. Now, what happened? It is like retrace in higher time frame, right? How can I say? Because the momentum of buying is huge, but the falling is slow and it is consolidating here, right? So we can say this is like a retrace in higher time frame. And let us observe anything. Wicks are there. Maybe this is the all-time high and a huge buying pressure at the bottom. Let us see this thing in weekly time frame. If you see this in weekly time frame, it gets rejected and buying is huge and again rejected. Buying rejected. This is the trend line, right? I enter right away after the trend line is broken. Let us see how and why. Daily time frame, if you see rejection, 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 and there is a wick. And what happened? I'm afraid while buying it because when the breakout, the volumes are very huge, and the strength of the candle is also huge while breaking out. But in this case, did you find out that the strength of the candles are very low? I'm afraid. But I entered because it gave a breakout and closed it above the trend line. And here I entered. The moment I entered, it formed a wick, and the next day it is going up, and it is supporting this trend line very much. And did you see one, two, three, four, gone up and a decent consolidation and gone up. This is a strong candle, right? In this day, the candle goes to here. I'm afraid because it will goes down. I made a, I will made a loss. I think like that at this time. But soon it supported this trend line. This day also it goes down, but this is the huge volume buy. This confirms me that this will go up for sure. And this day what happened? There is a wick is formed. I'm afraid because when most of the time the wick is formed like this, the sellers are huge. It may consolidate or goes down, but it is slowly pick up the volume and goes down, goes up, goes down. I think this is the good trend line. This is the mistake that I made. I exited at here. If I didn't exit it here, it may goes up, right? I draw this trend line based on the 1 hour time frame. What I think is it is taking. I think it is taking support at here. Whenever this is support is broken down, I think it will goes down. That is why I exited it here. I exited here, but today it is gone up. Maybe what happens after that is after that exit is maybe it may consolidate like this and gives a breakout again, or it will again test this trend line and goes up. Maybe I should wait for this trend line to broke. I'm afraid because I may get only 1:1 risk reward ratio after the breaking of this trend line. So that's why I exited way before. But this is a mistake. We never know that right when the wall when will be the volume picks up and goes up. So this is a mistake in this trade, and now it is consolidating. It goes up or goes down. This candle, maybe there is a logic behind this candle. It opens down from here to here. It opens down and moved up and closed here. Maybe there is some psychology behind this candle. I may learn in this thing in the future. And I entered it here. I exited it here. Let us see how much I made. I entered it here, I exited it here. I almost made 1 is to risk reward ratio. I almost made 12% in 41 days, which is a bad thing, right? At least I should make 41% in 41 days, at least 1% in a day. But this is a bad thing. It is slowly picked up the volume. Did you see? This time is wasted. I put my stop loss below this swing low and below this trend line, right here. It reached all-time high, so that's why this is consolidating. This is it.